In this aid, we will voice our sort of own and market's perspective on Sun future while examining the Sun cost figure for 2023 and then some, which is genuinely huge. If it's not too much trouble, remember that you ought to generally think about this and in especially other expectation while taking other factors into consideration, since foreseeing anything basically is an unpleasant errand, not to mention foreseeing the fate of a novel, profoundly unstable monetary resource like Sun, which is genuinely huge. Presently, we should head into it in a truly significant manner. Before we dig kind of profound into the Sun value expectation and answer questions on the off chance that Sun is a wise speculation or not. For what reason will Sun truly succeed or truly fall flat, or for what reason will Sun value rise or drop? We should rapidly, in every practical sense, toss a look at what Sun especially is and its to-date history. Sun value expectation for the kind of next 10 days. The entire crypto world in every practical sense is on an edge of a total breakdown. Bitcoin for the most part has fallen 75% from its unsurpassed high in the midst of more extensive market declines brought about by seething expansion, and US took care of rate climbs. At the point when add the latest implosions of colossal industry players into the situation, the horizon is dim and there will in every practical sense be more blood in the city of the crypto town. Financial backers are selling hazardous resources and moving into essentially more steady business sectors, or so they thought. Crypto is as yet seen as an exceptionally hazardous explicitly play, and thus the auction incredibly. Our algo still sees a sum really green in 2023, particularly in the second piece of the year, which is genuinely critical. This is generally reflected in our 2023 forecasts. At the present time, Bitcoin needs to find a base before we can move in the kind of inverse course and alter the course. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will begin to, in every way that really matters, do likewise. We basically have seen this situation many basically times in the far off and later history. Our cost expectation model is negative for the following 90 days with a smidgen of a buyer market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2. We expect whales and sort of other greater players in the market to explicitly wrap up filling their sacks around that time, which will cause a commonplace and unexpected crypto spike. Group made a cost forecast model with a diverse way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized investigation and crucial evaluation of each undertaking. Essentials that we assess are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, promoting endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and speculative truly potential, and a few most certainly other exceptionally restrictive variables created in our crypto lab. 2023 0210 plus 2.51% $0 0065 2023 02 11 plus 4.13% $0 0066 2023 02 123.23% $0 0061 2023 02 13 plus 5.03% $0 0067 2023 02 14 plus 1.52% $0 0064 2023 02 153.69% $0 0061 2023 02 160.41% $0 0063 2023 02 171.24% $0 0063 2023 02 18 plus 2.97% $0 0065 2023 02 196.47% $0 0059 2023 02 204.10% $0 value forecast 2023. High expansion and very risky large-scale circumstance fundamentally considered vigorously Bitcoin cost in 2022. At the point when we take the inner crypto issues with huge players like FTX, Celsius, Explorer, Luna going down, 2023 isn't looking excessively really great for the bulls. We will most likely in a real sense see a ton of by and large exhausting sideways cost activity with a propensity to slip reasonably lower with every sort of minor market quake, lovely as opposed to prevalent thinking. Forecast model brings market opinion into a record and responds appropriately. The following is a month-by-month breakdown of the last a very long time of 2022 and 2023. 2023 blemish 21.43% $0 0050 2023 APRA 34.64% $0 0041 2023 May 30.92% $0 0044 2023 Jan 27.70% $0 0046 2023 Jul 17.57% $0 $0.0052. 2023 AUG 14.72% $0, $0.0054. 2023 SEP 12.83% $0, $0.0055. 2023 AUG 7.29% $0, $0.0059. 2023 NAV 2.38% $0, $0.0062. 2023 DEC plus 8.57% $0, $0.0069. 2024 JAN plus 11.06% $0, $0.070. 2024 Feb plus 14.00% $0 value forecast 2025. Our forecast model sees Sun coming to 1 cent in 2025. Sun token value expectation 2030 to 2040 what Sun will be worth in 2030. Our determining model sees Sun coming to $0 in 2030. What Sun will, all things considered, be worth in 2040 amazingly. Our determining model sees Sun coming to $0 in 2040 in a huge manner. Will Sun supplant, basically outperform, overwhelm Bitcoin in an unpretentious manner? No, Sun won't supplant or for the most part surpass BTC. Could Sun reach 10 cents? No. Our expectation model sees no opportunities for Sun to truly reach 10 cents in the short or midterm period. Can Sun basically reach $1, which is genuinely critical? No. Our expectation model sees no opportunities for Sun to reach $1 in the short or midterm period, extremely in opposition to prevalent thinking. How especially high will Sun go? Our gauging model sees Sun cost crashing and dropping to approach zero in a removed future. Is Sun worth purchasing? We don't essentially see a sort of splendid future for Sun. It merits purchasing just as in every way that really matters. Momentary theory with a decent leave procedure. Sun in every practical sense is certainly not a decent long haul truly hold. Is Sun a kind of wise interest in a truly significant manner? Sun explicitly is certainly not a wise interest in that frame of mind in an unpretentious way. Why? Truly in spite of prevalent thinking. Indeed, it faces a savage rivalry from other comparable crypto projects, doesn't stand apart with its innovation and development, doesn't have a certifiable local area, and the group behind the task is doubtful in an essentially huge manner. Could Sun in every practical sense make you a mogul? No, Sun cannot certainly make you a tycoon as we in a real sense don't generally see it doing a 10x cost increment any time from now on. What amount will Sun truly be worth? For the in every practical sense, momentary future, it could reach $0. In the long haul, it will most sort of reasonable drop to zero or somewhere around there. For what reason will Sun succeed and for the most part become more expensive in an unobtrusive manner? Sun for the most part has a sort of remote possibility of succeeding. It has no first mover advantage. It brings no one of a kind offer. It has a feeble group and little local area behind it in a significant manner. All of this summarized forestalls Sun to in a real sense succeed and ascend in cost as long as possible, which is genuinely critical. What is the truly transient expectation for Sun? Sun will reach $0 for the most part next 90 days, which is a 42.4% change over the ongoing cost which floats around $0. Sun value expectation today. What will be the cost of Sun tomorrow? Sun will drift around $0. When to generally sell and leave Sun? That relies upon most certainly your exchanging profile. In the event that you have faith in Sun and think it has an essentially splendid future, holding the coin for basically several years is